Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can publish diagrams on Draw.io in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to the diagram and select its page here. We'll go with this one. There are two ways how you can do this, guys. You may for example publish it by clicking into File in the top left corner and by hovering mouse over Publish. And here select for example one of these options. For example, through a shareable link. Wait for it to finish loading. And after that, you will see, for example, publishing options, like you may request or enable authorization required, so that the given user will need to go through that process to gain access to the published diagram of yours. And you can go also with public URL of the diagram. So you can go also with these options below, for example, customize the appearance, choose only a specific page, and so on and so forth. Click into this button here. And after that, you will be given access to that link in the preview. You may copy it by clicking into this button to copy it to your clipboard and to publish it. That's one option. Option number two would be to share it by clicking into this button in the top right corner. And after that, you will be given access, or you will be redirected to that window here. So for example, let's assume you signed in on Draw.io with your Google account. Google will then ask you for permission to share the diagram with the users. You enter the email addresses here in, or you may do that through a shareable link by clicking into this button, change the access from restricted to anyone with the link. And after that, click into copy link to copy it to your clipboard, and that is going to give users with access to the link the opportunity to see your diagram on Draw.io. You can also customize the accessibility settings, for example, grant viewer or comment or editor rights, and that's basically it. Now if you'd like to remove that, simply select restricted here under general access, click into done, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.